hush before dawn, when the shadows still lie, a whisper of freedom ascends to the sky. Through silence and sorrow, a new hope will swell, awakening hearts to the sound of the Liberty Bell. From the ashes of silence, a nation awakes. The heart of the people no tyrant can break. Through storm and through shadow, our courage will swell. We rise to the thunder, the sound of the bell. From embers of valor, the fire returns. Through trials of ages, the Patriot learns. The flame of the righteous, no tyrant can quell. It blazes in rhythm with a Liberty Bell. Chains may be hidden, but truth will reveal. The flame of the fathers, the iron of steel. Hear the sound of the Liberty Bell, ringing freedom where the brave hearts dwell. From the mountains high to the ocean swell, echoes of truth no darkness can quell. Stand and remember the story we tell. Freedom forever, the Liberty Bell. The echoes of history whisper our name. The price of our freedom was written in flame. From Valley Forge cold to the city's bright light, the sons and the daughters still stand for the fight. The dawn breaks in crimson, the battle drums roll. A cry for redemption ignites every soul. The flag of the faithful in courage shall dwell, marching in time with the Liberty Bell. Through trials and tempests, we'll never divide. For honor and justice, we stand side by side. Hear the sound of the Liberty Bell, ringing freedom where the brave hearts dwell. From the mountains high to the ocean swell, echoes of truth no darkness can quell. Stand and remember the story we tell. Freedom forever, the Liberty Bell. Let it ring through the cities and plains, over heartache, through struggle and pain. For the soul of a nation was born to be free, in the land of the brave beneath liberty's tree. Through blood and through blessing, the story was spun by hands of the many, yet guided by one. The light of our calling no darkness can quell. For truth is the hammer that guards the bell. Hear the sound of the Liberty Bell, calling every soul to rebel against hell. Rise for the truth where the righteous dwell. In the light of the dawn, our spirits compel. One voice eternal, together we yell. Freedom forever, the Liberty Bell. So let it ring, let the heavens foretell the sound of our hearts, the Liberty Bell. From the cradle of freedom, our voices unite to shatter the darkness and herald the